So I got this Smitty built compressor for the Jeep. It's nice. Comes with a bag. Comes with the hose. Comes with everything. I really don't like this part. I'd rather have a quick connect. I was looking online for where to mount these. I don't want to put it in the engine compartment. I don't want to buy the compressor that actually mounts underneath where I have to relocate my exhaust. So what I'm going to do is, oh look at that. No, I already popped them through. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bracket, I'm going to put it on the side so this lays like that, and then I'm just going to put it underneath my seat with the switch and the hose sticking out. Then I can just flip it on under the seat and go. Another thing, Harbor Freight sells one, right? Let's check this out. Looks similar. I don't think they're exactly the same, but it has the same connectors. Yeah. So it is a little different. The hose is built on there, but it has different mounting pads, but there's no reason why you can't move them to the side on this too. I'm gonna have to move that bracket, that right there, and it'll fit right in there. Works pretty good now. Fits nicely in there. Still has air to get around. For the cylinder, this fits right in that groove. You can strap it down if you want, but I'm just gonna see. I don't think it'll flip it. It'll just flip under the seat if anything. I already had a 10 gauge wire running back that fed my switch panel, and I just tapped into that here and ran it down. It's already got a fuse on it there. It's already got a fuse in the battery compartment. She's good. So now everything's in a nice, neat package. So when I need to pump up air, I just grab it. Oh yeah, I did find a quick connect that I thought worked much better. It has to have one that lets the air out while it's released from the tire, or else it'll build pressure in here like an old clip-on one I had. Yeah, nice and convenient. Not too bad. It's out of the way. It's just so much easier just to pull this hose out and flip the switch on. Now I don't have to take it out of the bag, pop the hood, clip onto the battery. Ooh, that's some snotty shit. Maybe back up, I'll see if I can break it. Radio on? Sorry. Holy shit. Asshole. Maybe it's a bit too much.
Yeah, I just can't break over this rock.
Unless you want to hook on to me and pull. Once you get up there, you know it's good.
Yeah, we can do that.
It's muddy. Time for a little winching practice. What? He's gonna winch to you. Pull it in. He's gonna go for it again. There you go. Nice. Went pretty far since you're the last one in the deepest ruts. Keep going. Alright. No, fuck that. I'm gonna have to try to turn around, I guess. That was a waste. That was an adventure. Didn't get too far. When you got wheel spacers, that's when the mud gets on you. It is. It's splattering shit all over the wall. Oh man, there's chunks all over. Whoopsie. Oh my god, look at the chunks of mud underneath it. That fucking car wash sucked. It is? My side's the same way. What are you talking about?
No, I got all this.
Oh man, it sucks.